Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and I'm going to mention one thing before I even get to it. Hopefully my battery status won't actually affect this, but we'll see that in a second. So to get started, we're going to navigate all the way down in the settings to General Management, and then we're going to select Reset right over here. We're going to scroll down, and we have a couple different options. We're looking at the last one, which is Factory Data Reset. When selecting it, it will give you a list of items or data that will be removed by performing this, and the most important ones will be things like the music, photos, user data. Those are the primary ones that you will care about, because this is the data that you will be putting on this device yourself, and it's unique. Let's call it that way. Anything else, like for instance settings, downloaded apps, system app data, and Google accounts, these all can be regained when they get removed from your device, so it doesn't really matter. But for instance, if you download music and put it on your device, you would need to have a backup copy of that music to put it back on after it gets removed. Same goes for the photos and so on. So just make sure anything that you want to preserve is backed up. It also gives us a list of applications that will be removed. Again, that doesn't really matter because these apps can be re-downloaded. From here, we're going to select Reset. If you have some kind of screen lock, like a pattern, like I do, you need to confirm it. And then we can select Delete All. And apparently the battery status doesn't actually affect it, so even though it's at 11%, it will still allow me to reset it. With that being said, I am still gonna plug it in just in case. I wouldn't want it to die on me when it's resetting itself, so just clip it in, and it's gonna be charging while starting the shutdown and then beginning the factory reset of itself, which should be beginning right now. And it's already finished, as you can see. So from here, you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.